Hello everyone. Today I will show you the basic overview of Fortinet, complete options, everything about the Fortinet. So let's log in to your Fortinet. Okay, I will log into my system. So first thing, this is a dashboard of Fortinet. Here you have all the basic information like your Forti host name, your serial number, firmware. Current I am using 7.0.7, mood net, system uptime, WAN IP, lessons. I have 4 lessons like FortiGate support, FortiGate for firmware and general update, IPS, antivirus, web filtering. You can set fabric, security fabric, HTTPS, everything on you. You can set any desktop dashboard view which you want. Like I will add the Forti VPN view, add which okay. So I have a Fortinet VPN view. In this screen, you can easily watch how much VPN user. In future, I will show you. I will connect the VPN client, and here you can show your users who is connected through Fortinet VPN. There is a network, okay, how much you have network routes, client, everyone. If you are set up SD-WAN, IPsec, SSL VPN network, all things you can set your dashboard. Users and devices, how many users and devices are connected to it, like 6 devices now connected to my device, my Fortinet, Forti client, because I just refresh and reset this device. Okay, so you can set, we will set in future and in next upcoming lecture for you, inshallah. And now this is a network interface. Here is your my Fortinet, it's a 501E. So I have a HA port, management port, 10. I have 8 LAN port, and one is 4. I have what you say SFP port. Okay, so in next second lecture you will learn how to configure LAN WAN basic. Okay, so DNS, you can check your DNS. I set my DNS as a Google in DNS like SD-WAN. You can check if you configure the SD-WAN. Here is all information. Static route, your all static route will appear here. Policies, if you implement any routing protocol like OSPF, BGP, RIP, here is all information you can configure. Now second one is policies and object. In firewall you can configure your different policy for incoming and outgoing traffic, your security profile, see the name of the policy, source, destination, schedule, services, action, net, security profile, logs, bytes, everything. Okay, here is complete addresses, services which you want. I have set many but we will learn, inshallah, one by one all of this. Okay, virtual IP, if you configure the VPN, you will configure your virtual IP also here. So here is one more option, health check. You can see your all network health check. Antivirus, web filtering. Web filtering means all your incoming, outgoing traffic blockage, traffic allow, all things web filtering related we will configure here. Video filtering, antivirus filtering. If you have antivirus lessons, you can configure also this one. And DNS filter, all the security related items in this option. Okay, now if you come to VPN, here is the IPsec VPN, SSL VPN. So configuration of our VPN, SSL VPN portal like web access VPN, tunnel access VPN, or full access VPN setting you can we will configure here. SSL VPN, personal book, SSL VPN, Realme, everything here. Okay, so if we come here, user authentication, This is very important for big organization, or if you have a domain controller or other centralized user, anything like mostly company has a domain controller. So you will configure here LDAP server, radius server, single sign or 40 token. When you implement the 40 token, like two-factor authentication, you need a 40 token. From the Fortinet, you will import here. This I have 40 token. We will configure later. If your company Wi-Fi, all Wi-Fi is Fortinet related, you can also set all the options here. Fortinet, 40 client. Here you can see how many 40 client mobile devices, mobile phone connected to your 40 AP wireless. Here is the IP device, MAC address, 40 SSD user device name in there. This is important. So here you will see the device model like Apple phone, Android phone, everything here. Bandwidth, how much is using, associated time, SSD, SSID. You can set your own SSID. This all information you need to set up. This is a simple overview lecture. Okay, we will configure. This is a basic setting like your Fortinet host name. I am typing here info. Okay, Abu Dhabi. My time here I set the time different because my lessons expire before. So I just go to back date. So my lessons is working, offline working is. But when I use the 40 guard, then it will automatically come to latest time. Okay, 40 guard here, everything certificate. If you are importing to local SSL certificate, local certificate, remote CA certificate, every certificate here you can import. Fabric management, log report, you can set your log report as per your requirement. Like if you want a daily report, you can incoming, outgoing traffic, your VPN report, SSL VPN report, file filter, application control report, every type of report you can configure here. Like this report is schedule, you can schedule daily report here. So we will meet in next lecture. We will configure the basic from start, LAN WAN configuration and basic configuration of Fortinet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.